Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the music is on your iPhone or available via Apple Music because the watch syncs from the phone. Once done, keep the watch on its charger and the iPhone unlocked and nearby to maintain Bluetooth. Open the Watch app on your iPhone, tap the Music section, and choose Add Music. This first actionable step cues the playlists or albums. You do this because the watch has limited storage and must receive selections from the paired phone. Now you select what actually goes onto the watch. Pick smaller playlists or specific albums to match the watch's available space. The app shows storage usage so you can decide. Tap the plus icon to add items, and remember syncing happens only while the watch is charging and within Bluetooth range. If you have an LTE Apple Watch and an Apple Music subscription, enable cellular music for on-watch streaming. Otherwise, syncing local files is necessary for offline playback during workouts or flights. Finish by verifying the sync completed. Open the Watch app's music screen and confirm items show as synced. You can play a sample on the watch to validate. If music doesn't appear, restart both devices, keep the watch on its charger, and attempt the sync again. This resolves most Bluetooth hiccups. Also make sure Watch OS and the iPhone's Watch app are up to date and that Wi-Fi or cellular is available. Updating firmware often fixes persistent syncing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.